Siyabingelela egameni lika Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Igama lami ke nguThabani ST Dlamini. Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu. Thank you so much for tuning in. Sila eGagasini, la eDurban. Yes, vakashele kudadewethu la bomkhumbula abanye ngaloya nyaka loyana okwasivakashela la kwi platform yethu saxoxa. Yo, it was something else. So nje esiphathele istory sakho esixoxela sona. Uzothi ukusihighlight kancane mawukuthi wena uyaqala ukuyibona le video. Mhlawumbe mawukuthi akwazi uyibone, I would advise ukuthi uvakashele uhambe uyobona i-chat yethu esake saba nayo. Kodwa futhi naye uzothi ukusi highlightela kancane ukuthi konje sasikhuluma ngani. It was something else, something deep. Yes. So ke ula eduze kwami namhlanje. Wayesiphathele lanje bese sikhuluma kuqala kwakuyinto that has to do with usatanist, Illuminati, njani zonke lezi zinto lezo. So uzokhona ukuthi asichazelele naye futhi kanjalo. Bacishe bathwala ngaye. uNkulunkulu wamseva ula namhlanje. So ke ula next to me. Siswa
ST.
Yaphila.
Yaphila my brother. Kunjani?
Right when.
Ngikhona.
Thank you so much for coming.
Uwe nje.
Ecinene ngiyabonga ukuthi mangithi Nkosi yami wenza indlela. Ngiyaphela sazi lokhu siplanile sicela sivakashele eGoli. You never did.
The platform abazalwane, so we always make time. Sakwenzeka kweGoli but eventually sakwenzeka.
Bozokuze mina wena eGoli. That's not fair.
Askis.
Yeah, alright. No, siyabonga kakhulu siswami. Mhlambe nje ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi ivideo yakho yafenyela kubantu abaningi kakhulu. Mhla usilethele lo bafakazi bakho obabuthinta impilo zabantu, bashintsha impilo zabantu abaningi. Mhlambe nje nawo kulo qala ukubona ivideo yakho namhlanje. Mhlambe ungamnikeza highlight ukuthi obona wena ubona ba.
Brief highlight.
Yeah. Yes.
Ngoba ngithi khona vele
platform
yakho. So Ntokozo kaMadlala lo eKhakhi Sandwedwe. Ufamkele. Kufamkele istory sami basikhuluma ngokuthi iexperience yami abuse before ngishade, abuse emshadweni ekwazi kwagcina sekuthiwa sengithola ukuthi bengiyona nje abuse actually bese ngisacrifice for wealth. And from there ngangiveza ukuthi sike sikhale but esikhali sezinye izimo kanti uNkulunkulu siprepare ezinye. So getting back home I discovered that there was Illuminati that was being introduced. So kwakuyi fight from another fight. Kodwa mase ngibuka manje I'm grateful because le yanto engithi ibhlungu mina engikhalisa yayincane kunale kwakufanele kwenzeke. Kushuthi uNkulunkulu wayengiphusha. Ngithe mangihleli nje ukukhuluma about this platform namhlanje kwafika ukuthi kuyenzeka ngempela ukuthi ipower yakho is born from your pain. Wena ukhala uzufisa ngisho ukufa kanti uzosima ufa kanti kunezinto ohlushela ukuthi uzoyisave wena.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's that journey continues. That was that ukuthi after that ila uNkulunkulu osusubona khona ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani ngawo. Yeah.
Mfethu ngiyazi ukuthi into yakho yathinta abantu abaningi ngokwahlukahlukana kwawo. Washare istory sakho, ngiyazi ukuthi baningi abantu abathinteka. Mhlambe nje uma usushare nje usubriefile nje izinto ezasithinta istory sakho kakhulu. Ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi awuphindanga salenze elinye ithuba lokuthi sizoxoxa mhlambe going onwards ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mhlambe emveni kokushare istory sakho can you help us? What happened? Iziphi izinto mhlambe ezingezenzeka after lapho?
Esikufunda ena journey is that when we share our stories nomuntu ongashare manje story sakhe ngiyamhlomisa ukuthi you must be ready ukuthi you gonna get negative and positive feedback.
Yeah.
Ebandleni likaKristu baningi abantu abesebelahlela ithemba lokuthi engathi izinto ababhekene nazo zibenza babone ngathi akekho uNkulunkulu. So after sharing my story baningi abantu abafike bathi lento engibhekene nayo incane. So ngiyamdinga uNkulunkulu wakho. Ngibuyele esontweni ngicela kwa in contact now, I need to pray with you so that we gather strength. So and then again kukhona babuza ukuthi ufika kanjani kulo level, which is very difficult because ufunda ngama experiences. Each and every experience noma ngabe incane kanjani noma inkulu kangakanani isuke ukushiftela to another dimension.
True.
Yokuthi uNkulunkulu akusebenzise. And then of course ke sisebenzela umbuso okhanya, there will always be umbuso of the dark, and also exposing umsebenzi of your dark gets you whipped. But ordinary people will not understand that. Not even ordinary people, abantu abasembusweni vele who pretend to be in the light bazokwenza ngathi abakuboni lokho because kushintsha abantu obucabanga ukuthi unabo.
Yep.
Embusweni kaNkulunkulu abebekhuluma ilanguage efana neyakho, but mase bebona ukuthi uNkulunkulu sekukhuluma uNkulunkulu and umlilo kaNkulunkulu wenza kuphume inyoka. Ngithi siyakhumbula ukuthi bahlanganyela noPaul, but when uPaul se introducer uJesu ophilayo yilaba decide khona bafuna ukumluma. So but then ngikufundile ukuthi in everything osukungena kuyona uNkulunkulu akakufaka entweni ingenayo plan. Ngeke ngithi is a God of provision, akakunike vision engiya provide. So if there is a vision, there's definitely a provision. Ukuthi ke esithiya kumnandi kubuhlungu, but sifunda ukubekezela kuzo zonke inhlupheko. Bengisho ngithi kunamavesi besikade siwafunda singama understand, but ekukholweni esikhona manje we need to implement them automatically. Asevela avuke manje amavesi ukuthi makuthiwa nothula nina, makuthiwa nonyathela ofeleba ofezela nenyoka nikume ngenamnyucu ngempela ubuke emuva uthi God, how did I make it through that? And makuthiwa uNkulunkulu ukuvusela abantu bohambo lakho kuqhamuka abantu akazobacabange who understand exactly what you're going through. Abanye they've been experiencing that bengenawo umuntu abangakhuluma naye. So now and kukhona abanye aba understand ukuthi nami ngadlula la, so lo muntu udinga ukukhulekiswa. So kunemthandazo eminye ungayazi that sustains you. So kuningi and it's an ongoing process. And ngikufundile ngithi mangibuza kwabaphambi kwami ngithi mina kanti siphumula nini, kwathi cha uthi umhlaba uhamba inhliziyo yami uye ezulwini ngoba kukuphumula emhlabeni.
Siswami awusilekelele nakule waba na this experience whereby umkhwenyana wakho
angikusena umkhwenyana lo wayewu phela uNkulunkulu uthi asiyeke into eyindala phela mase kunqamukile sekuyi past tense owayewu. So mawuthi no wami usamnamathelisa kimi. Kanti it's spiritually there is a
owayengu umkhwenyana wakho ayefuna ukuthwala ngawe for i-wealth.
Yebo.
Yes. Ngiyazi ukuthi eminye imibuzo ngayithinta laphana ngikubuza mhlawumbe ukuthi what was so special ukuthi kube wena. I think izathu lokho ngoba wawunkosikazi wakhe ne. So ngiyazi ukuthi emveni kokushare story waba nama attacks even after that zonke lezi zinto lezi mhlawumbe maphi lama attacks owahlangabezana nawo after ukushare story sakho. Maybe amanye might be spiritual. Yes.
Okunye bengakwazi ke but esithima buza ukuthi yini umuntu asuke ethwale ngawo, like learning nokuxoxa nabantu. I think ngangixoxa nomunye umuntu and uyalubona mangabe unesiphiwe noma mawugcutshe usungayibona uyibona. Uthatha isikhathi ukuthi uyibone kanti le gang, the underground gang are very sharp. Bayibona inganyaka isaseswini. Bayibona uyizele ukuthi lengane lezo bayi problem. Yikho abantu abaningi belinyazwa besavela. So someone told me ukuthi angazi ukuthi what battle engangenqobile. What now you understand ukuthi why you were a sacrifice, because if you go today uyojoin into ye-wealth when ungayidecide ukuthi hayi ngizogcina unkosikazi wami nezingane zami bengangenile la, but le yanto decides for itself. First of all iyamfuna umuntu othandwa inhliziyo yakho because na isibese strategy sakaNkulunkulu ukuthi ngifuna umnikelo onjani okhuluphele. So the sad part ukuthi I think nosukenza lento sengasho ngizoba unkosikazi mase ifika le nto ngifuna lo, and mase usign contract you live by the rules. So ama attacks maningi kakhulu maningi kakhulu ama attacks ngoba kusuka abantu abangazwani bazwane. Kodwa mangabe uhamba noNkulunkulu you understand ukuthi abazwani vele ababhali nabafarisi abadayisa uJesu abazwanela ukuthi kufe lento ethikameza umbuso obumnyama. And they do all they can kuma social media platforms. I mean impilo yami nje mina I'm immune to inhlamba. Noma ungangithukuthi nje namhlanje anginenda abanentamba noma ngithiwa kubhalweni manje bathi khawubonile and nasekhaya sebefundile uma ibona something nje mangitshela umuntu wangaphandle ukhathazekile ukuthi how am I doing because njengoba ngithi uNkulunkulu ukuvusela abantu, I've learned ukuthi akakwazi ukujesa ukuhlupheka before avuswe ebese ngicabanga ukuthi mina ngizodla ngefork and knife ekukholweni. So I've learned ukuthi chosen people impilo yabo vele iba rough, and I've learned ukuthi amadimoni awanazi impondo, awangcolile, imoya ekubantu ohlala nabo, futhi engikufundile they work with intelligent people. So that into bayipresent umuntu ohlakaniphile, omunye umuntu uzobona umuntu ongaphiwanga umoya engcwele uzobona ukuthi ayimpelo ST lama podcast awenzayo waya somewhere kwenza kanje, because njoba sikhona sonke, not ukuthi sonke siphiwe amandla ukuthi silalele umoya engcwele. Abanye abantu bawuza umoya engcwele bawuzibe, because sihalela ukwazi izinto zethu. And what I've learned ngabantu abapossessed noma nemoya, they love drama and attention. So the minute you give them attention, it means that you are contributing kuliphalisa lento. So I've learned ukuthi you starve your distraction and feed your focus. If you stay on the word and if you preach, ngisukume your preacher, one example nje, kwakhona umngani wami, actually a friend obefuna ukusinda ngoNkulunkulu, I guess ubeyibona imihla yakhe emncane. She was not even a friend, umuntu ongasekhaya, so kwakufanele ngimngcwabeni kwakhe. And ngaleso sikhathi uNkulunkulu wangifihlela something. There was already a post there in Tuka on Facebook accusing me of Tagat.
Okay.
And I understand that because abantu bokumnyama, they do izinto einzima and they pay. So it does not make sense ukuthi ngempela ubhuti abantu esithe ngathi ngegama lika Jesu kuwe yonke lento engihlanganise ngo10,000 le ngihambele ngikhokhela u5,000 kumkhulu thizeni, mina noma ingangithinti mina mangilela ifike kunenkazimulo kaNkulunkulu ihlehle ibuyele emuva. So into engihlekisa that time bayebonile abantu ngangazi kango MC emshadweni nalosisi, and ngangilokhu ngikukhulekela, and uNkulunkulu wasebenza ukuthi message yakhe idlule. And learn ngesikhathi mina ngishumayela la ngibhizi ngikhuluma labantu bonke abantu etendeni bayayazi lento yokuthi wena kahle kahle uyaninja. But uNkulunkulu wayifihla lento kumina ukuze i-message that was supposed to be conveyed that day ipheleliswe. So uthi umuntu ethuka mina ngibe ngibuka uGod in awe ukuthi God, you are really amazing. You know izinto efanele siyibone, uyazazi into engafanele siyibone. So ukuningi esithile lento izifike ngisho emndenini. I've learned bengilonge ngikufunda makuthiwa isizungu somfazi kuphuma iGibhithe noIsrael. Now we know ukuthi ukuthola ukuthi kodwa ngamenzani ST kodwa nkosamo, and then you understand ukuthi if you represent the kingdom of the light, it means ukuthi uyayiciphisa kingdom of umnyama. And unfortunately mazalwa ekhaya angithi usekuhlangene izibongo eziningi lento ekuthiwa ufuzo, kukhona abayangakama khona abayangakababa. So it's unfortunate ukuthi isikhathi esiphila kusona sesiphila ku generation la kwehla khona ama cases iqalekiso ama generations and generations. And if you do not soak yourself in the word, if you do not soak yourself emthandazweni, if you don't soak yourself ku worship, and okungiphatha kabi lento ukuthola ukuthi unasiphe wena but ST sokwenza yonke into, but ama talent sibe nawo ekholweni aphinde aba into esivulela intuba yokuthi sitshontshe kumnyama. Ngoba mawubuka emasontweni ethu sinawo abantu abantshontsha kakhulu ama worshipper. Abantu abama worshipper, the intercessors bathathwe kakhulu because ngiye ngangokuma ukuthi mina Ntokozo sengiyazi ngangayithandazela lento, ngime etalenteni ngangakwazi ukuhlukanisa noma sengidumisela omunye umbuso, kodwa kuyenzeka sibe nabantu abamla ku-altar baphethe ama-microphone, kodwa mebedumisa akunyakaza into zaphezulu, kunyakaza into zaphansi, kodwa abantu abahleli phansi abakwazi ukubona lokho. So it's a journey, it's a journey that needs God every second, every minute, every hour, every day. So yikho noma ngabe uthukiwe noma ngabe wenzeni awuyeke ukusebenza. Because ofika ukuthola uyazi ukuhambe wena uyitshela ukuthi you are broken, you cannot stand, vele kufika abantu abawu5 basikwazi wasisiza sikaze sikuzwe lokho esontweni, sikaze sizwe lento. So it means asikakakholwa, and then you think ukuthi kube kuthi ufide your distraction ngabe ukuphike manje, because that's the intention khona leli ivesi ebengilokhu likhuluma ngalazi likhuluma ngoTopiya noSanballat ukuthi uNehemiya wabona ukuthi sekukhona igap wakhe eJerusalem waqhubeka akha. So ngesikhathi eseqede sekubonakala ukuthi lento ayenzayo ikhona, yaqala lemoya yathuka yathi akehle. So that's the strategy. So ukuthi mawusu uhamba ngempela noNkulunkulu kuzofika ama-attacks aqhamuka kubantu kodwa i-intention yokuthi yeka lento yenzayo unake thina and the minute unaka laba bantu how many souls owakhulekelayo abantu bakini obuye wathi abavuswe from amanzi amnyama from iy'bopho zomndeni and now usuyabonakala lo muzi owawusuvele ngeroof seziyabonakala iy'ngane bayabonakala abazukulu and then uyabuza umbuzo ukuthi ubamba nje lofikile let's find strategies and funny enough ama-strategies akusiwona abuhlungu ngakuyona inhlamba akhona namahla akhona nayimali I've had many job offers la bengesikhona ukuthi umsebenzi ukuthi umukela le mali le and then siyaqeda umzukulu wakho siyaqeda ngey'ngane zakho siyaqeda ngefamily yakho awusiyabaleka nabantu abangaka okay siyahluleka thina simthukayo ake silethe laba aba-friendly uma usondela ayi le mali inemgomo nemibandela le mali uyinikwa abantu abangambizi uNkulunkulu uma bethanda zabathi we pray to the sun we pray to the moon to the universe thank you earth for giving us food ubani odala umhlaba so and into yabo is too good to be true uhleli nangu iwallet yahla awuhamba wenza ukuthi and uyambona usathana usibambe ngemali ngoba ama-struggles umuntu okholwayo usually around imali ukuthi ngiza kanjani ku-ST eThekwini uma ngabe ungitshela usuze ngebhasi la abantu abakuloya mbuso abahamba ngebhasi abayazi ibhasi emalini futhi abahambi ngobani fly safe bahamba
top class
yes and it can be business class so basiklasa ngalokho inkulu nje inhlamba na kuthini ukuthi ushumayelane elambile ushumayelane engasebenzi but uNkulunkulu always make a way ufikile nje nawe ngila angisebenza no for the past 8 years for 8 months akho income but uNkulunkulu methi I will make enough provision for the day ngizokunika lokho okufanele usuku manje mina ngifuna ukuthi hayi for the next 10 years ngizokwenzani why once ngazi ngenzani for the next 10 khona ngizoyikhonzela uNkulunkulu and I've realized ukuthi sikhule emhlabeni yabantu abajoyine lezi zinto badayisa ngamagugu abo kodwa abanakho ukuthula so they'll make sure ukuthi baphazamisa ukuthula kwakho they're going to make sure ukuthi they do all it takes ukuze ukuthula kwakho kuphele because understand ukuthi kwenza unomuzo omuhle unemoto enhle udla kahle but ukhathaza ngokuthi uST udleni why uST angasebenzi uthuka umuntu ngendlala yakhe wena usuthi
awuswele lutho
so it gives you a clue yokuthi lezi zinto esiyikhalelayo ayihlali kahle kubona abayitholile uNkulunkulu zinemgomo yobumnyama so they'll do anything.
Siswama, make us understand, ngiyazi ukuthi these spiritual things since when you have encountered a lot of it, so since uke wabakuleso simo esikanjalo maybe ke mhlambe ezweni likamoya and stuff like that njoba washare this testimony ngifuna ukuthola nje imanje lakho ukuthi unjani manje.
Nginjani manje?
Yeah, manje nje. Yes.
I'm stronger in Christ. I am stronger in Christ and I know manje esithi ukuthi ayikho into engangishukumisa ngangenza ngicompromise uNkulunkulu because looking back kunala engingazi khona ukuthi ngidlule kanjani. Why yabo indaba kaNkulunkulu imnandi because kube khona inhlupheko ezweni ukuthi uhlushwa umyeni uhlushwa ingane uzuzaqa.
True.
But uNkulunkulu mawuhlushwa abantu awuzaqa. Mawulambile uNkulunkulu awuzaqa. uNkulunkulu uyakukhazimulisa kuze wekhona abashayisa odlala ngathi lo
madoda
lo udlala ngathi so ziyafika ikhathi angithi umuntu yokuthi ubuze ukuthi kodwa God why me then uphinde ukuthi then who because ubuka into enzakini ebese ngabe zenzekile manje because masihleli esikhona imizi siyibukayo angithi uNkulunkulu siyakuvezela ezinye izinto ubothi le nkinga ebila ekhaya ilapha shuthi kube kuthiwa sibehave njengalaba bantu ngabe nasekhaya kuvalwe njengalapha ngoba ubuka abantu abakuthukayo emizini yakubo bahlala ngokuhlukana yes noma sisahlukana because of iGibhithe neIsrael but isikhona leya unity ukuthi mntakama ufike kanje uhlale kube mnandi ngenifane nonke kodwa even abantwana and some of the sisters they see uNkulunkulu now they know how to nurture abantwana babo especially the spiritual growth yabantwana uphawu because angicabangi ukuthi ngesikhathi ngikhula mhlawumbe uma wayazi angicabangi ukuthi ngangibona mina but esithi ukuthi ikhona into engakhule kwengane na 9 years but manje sengiyezwa ngisho icula ngisho ihlabelela ngisho share mina bengeke ngiyinqoba ukuthi bengekho umntwana la ekhaya so like emotionally we up and down because umuntu you need to provide for your kids but all I'm also seeing what I'm seeing my kids growing closer to God through my encounter so kunalento ukuthi what I'm going through manje umntana mangeke yabo masuhambela ukuthi ingane zami nengane kama wami evuma ukukhetha uNkulunkulu lama sufferings yabo makuthiwa breaker generational curses kumlanda abanye abantu sama curse breaker if a curse breaker be ready to be hated be ready ukugxekwa ubukhuluma iqiniso kodwa that does not make you to compromise God be ready ukujikela nabantu obakhulekela every day it does not say mina ukuthi uzothi masuyokhuleka ukuthi hayi lo ukhulume ngami and lokho ngikufunde kabuhlungu and nginabantu abangimentorishayo ukuthi no izibe le isizophazamisa le and the day ngafunda ngayo ukuthi khona into engayiphendula khona ama voice notes engaphendula khona into engayisho ukuthi ubani uthe
just keep quiet
futhi mawuyazi ukuthi like especially mawuyazi ukuthi yamanga ukuthi how can somebody create such what's the aim angithi usuke efuna lokho kusathana ukuthi uzama ukunitha lento enkulu nithu but ukudabuke mawuhlangana nomuntu umbuka because abantu abakuthuka mashana abakhulumi nawe umuntu engakuthuka lapha ya akuthuka bhale and abantu abangithukayo mina kusibona abantu abahlala eCape Town in the same village abantu engigibela nayitekisi uhlangana nabo but eTexas ngeke umuzwe sho lutho
people who knows you better than anyone
better than anyone angithi umfundisi wangitshela ngelanga ukuthi kubhlungu ukubizwa ngakini mawubizwa ukuphendula abantu bangakini njengoHezekiah athi uNkulunkulu hamba za Hezekiah ushumela Israel they know the language bayalazi nezwi lami kodwa izinhliziyo zabo zilikhuni but when your task is to preach uhambe mawushumayelile uyobususila ukufa phezulu kwakho nentukuthelo kaNkulunkulu mabe ngakuzwanga indaba yabo so when you preach so that's what I understood ukuthi into engibizele yona manje to share the good news ulula nje kumuntu okholwayo ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyamphendula ST uyamphendula ubhuti uyamphendula ubani and athi angizange ngizoletha ukuthula yoba khona ukuhlukana phakathi kamama nendodana phakathi kabhuti nosisi ngangihlala ngithi uNkulunkulu mhlawumbe unenhliziyo enzima mangabethi osathanda umame noyise nendlu yakhe akakangibukeli mina but now I see because ungangena esihogweni ulibe lokunaka into yasekhaya bawuthi mawuthi uNkulunkulu ifufula bephendula bawuphenduka ngesikhathi sabo but lead the way mina sengifuna wena mina ngedwa I want the whole of you then uNkulunkulu uyakwenza lokho.
Please do make us understand even for my people ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu lento ye noma ngizothi cult or these spiritual powers lama mnyama and stuff abanye abantu into nje abayithatha nje kancane ukuthi hayi nje into engekho mhlawumbe ungathini kumuntu ongamela umenze ayazi ukuthi this thing is really and there is real God as well
then ndiyadabukisa ST because ngikhuluma ngami mina nje ngangeke ngisho ngithi hey akekho umuntu ongaphuma emzimbeni andize ebusuku ayike indaba esathana ayike umuntu ongachitha I think there was ingozi yayinkulu la ePine Town kudala so abantu bethi no kukhona umuntu oginqile khona umuntu okwazi undiza kini it does not make sense and uNkulunkulu wathi I'm going to make you taste it I'm going to make you live through it and ave kubhlungu to pray against angithi la manje isidlalo ngibhede angikwazi compromise uNkulunkulu mina ngoba untandokazi wami ukhethe bani usathana uyacabanga ukuthanda against your child uthi uNkulunkulu uzogcina intando yakho la even if efa unana but efela kuwe ongcono kunokuthi aqhubeke nalento usukhulekela lokho ngoba uyazi abanye bafike kule stage sokuthi uma sekuphathi kokufa nokuphila uma beyiyeka abanye abayiyeke ngoba bathi vele ngizofa kodwa kungcono ukufa usunjani usumukela uJesu kunokufa uqhubeke usafarisha so to answer your question anganoma ngine best answer okubhlungu kakhulu ke ukuthi iCult isihluke kakhulu namkhona engakwazi ihluke kakhulu and ihluka kakhulu nje iza ngezinto ezinhle esiyibona zizinhle. Lokhu kokuthwala kusha but ST masikhumbula kahle abantu bethwala babe nemfuyo babe namasimu. Khumbula umuzi kodwa leyo mizi yayinjalo manje mawubuyela kuyona. Sekuyakhonja ukuthi ubaba la ekhaya wayinamasi wayinani.
Wathi mayihamba nakho konke.
Imoto zilala inkukhu and you look at abantwana bakhe manje. Bayaphuza, bayaboshwa, bayasebenza kodwa impilo abanye bavele bayihlalela nje, abanye bashona. So into engingayisho manje but ST ukuthi ayike into edlula ukuthandaza because khona umuntu ozilento mina ye-cult angiyikhola experience engibe nawo manje. Athi umuntu lento ye-cult angiyikhola afika ngitshela ngebehavior yengane. Ingane ihlaza ngithi ayihlaza lengane. Akusesiyona ingane le. Angithi if you communicate ezinye izinto ubuka ne-level yomuntu. Awukwazi ukuvela ukuthi ingane yomuntu is possessed. You know abazali benze njani. They jump ukuthi ubani what. But I've had quite a few experiences abantu bekhala khona ngengane bekhala ngeyingane and uthola usendo makuqhubeka umuntu angithi akezwa woza kuthandazwa ayikhona la engisazama khona. Yabo khona la engisazama khona. Kanti lento yokuzama yimbi ngokuthi kwesinye isikhathi usuku usuvula iwind lokuthi imoya yande. Kuyale kube buhlungu masikhuluma ngomngoma. If you look ukuthi ingane ithwasa manje uthola umuntu muhle unabantu abadala uthi mawuthi uyalandela lo muntu akasaphila isikhathi eside car accident uwile waphathwa ikhanda kwaphela ngaye because lezi zinto seyikwazi ukumenza njani uhafu wakho ungene waba ngale. So so it's a deep spiritual thing and mawusunjalo kube ngathi ushaya into zabantu abantu bathi kholwa phela ungayishaya into zethu nami ngeke ngacasuka futhi ST kufika bezoshaya into zakamadlala lapha into zamadlala zengifake phi into zakamadlala they made me vulnerable because noma ngabe umuntu wenzeni mina but today I've learned ukuthi ama altars engaintroducewa kuona ezumntwana rituals ayenziwa ngishilo ngathi mina every year bekufika inyanga izosiqinisa every year eyakithi lo nyanga and uJesu uqiniswa every year and yakhokhelwa lenyanga kodwa ngeke ngithi uNkulunkulu kusho wangithanda because the other year izoqiniswa yathi mina ngine satanism kuba ngibeke izithombe zabaculi eduze kwami ngeke izingithinte so I guess nayo yayibona njengangakayiboni kimi namhlanje sinabantwana abahamba njalo Friday noma nini uyasebenza lo mntwana la ekhaya uyakondla ST kodwa siyazi ukuthi Friday to Sunday usotshwaleni uyaphuza we've normalized utshwala and kunalento ehamba through amanzi utshwala bamanzi angithi ukuda the Marine Kingdom especially KZN isixakile siyabona ama floods kunamadimoni ahamba ngamanzi asebona ukuthi ngathi khanjwa kancane mawulokhu recruiter wavele eza zothi so mawukhuluma nomzali ngengane yenza lokho umzali akutshela ukuthi kodwa uyondla nje ekhaya baningi asebebuyile kimi bazongitshela ukuthi kodwa lengane lobukhuluma ngayo khona omunye wayesho ukuthi lengane lobukhuluma ngayo isekhulumile athi khalela igazi lenye ingane akuyingane bese khalela igazi suka aqala ukuneshethwa lo muntu kudala ikhona imisebenzi akade yenza kudala useku graduation phase kuningi but ST kuningi ingcebo legijimayo sibona abantu bekhala namhlanje kuthi umuntu ubulaye ko Uber abanye abantu abaningi lezo bayithole from which kingdom umuntu oseno Uber ba 7 from which kingdom of the dark like thina asikhulumi iwealth mama uNkulunkulu ukhuluma ukuthi obekezele inhluphekweni mina Jehova ngiyomnikeza ukuphila kodwa every day mina nawe sizoguqa uNkulunkulu sicela imali uNkulunkulu sicela umuzo omkhulu ngoba sifuna ukufunwa inhliziyo yethu but masibuka about all the prophets and the apostles abaningi uJohn uhlala ehlane kwaze kwaba uyafa kukhona abayibamba behlala emzini yabantu so sishawa ukuthi siyamfuna uNkulunkulu kodwa futhi nezo siyalifuna and ngokwenza lokho sivulela imoya ukuthi ingene emzini yethu sineyingane sithi mangabe zenze something sithi umthetho wakhe lona akakhuluma ekseni kufike mina kangazi lo mntwana ngiyambingela sawubona sisi akakhuluma ayongamnaka umthetho wakhe we normalize imoya ukuthi iphile kubantwana
so let's understand lo better wakhe
exactly sineyingane sinamafoni namhlanje into yenze kuma phoneini manje kuthiwa nje you wanna work from home and with 3,000 rand per hour give us your ID zingeni ingane kwenzakalani lapho singelingane sekuthiwa woza uzongena once udayisa umzimba yayisa ngomzimba or kufanele asihlanganise ingane zamantombazana azokwazi ukuyiletha for ukuthi zithunjwe abduction every day sifelwa abantu kumanje kune trend ethi I did not kill him mina ngenza ukuthi and leyo nto kube kuthiwa besingayiyeka sabantu besifazane bengangcono because vele sifaka ini upetrol esilondeni because lonke into eyenzile ukuthi abasilisa babulala abantu besifazane i-strategy sakasathane kuthi sibe izizwe ezimbili sizondane because umndeni wakhiwa ngendoda nomfazi so if abafazi namadoda bengazwani umndeni uzokwakhiwa uNkulunkulu amephi umndeni
and yabona manje trend I did not kill him
yes abantu sebeshare izitori ezingaka so lento yokuthi noma nginganjani noma kwenzekeni but uNkulunkulu umshado is a covenant from God no was attack emshadweni it is because umhlaba siyilalelanga into kaNkulunkulu nathi
I think it goes back to abonje le story lomfo wabulala i-girlfriend yakhe ne story lesiphestrand nje bathi ubani Lawrence that yes lo wabulala girlfriend yakhe just because he invested kuyona kakhulu so agcine seyibulala literally so I think it goes back to lento yoma satanist and stuff ungathola ukuthi it was not himself
and why kade aqalesho
you see
and kukhona usima ukhuluma namanje ukuthi kwenzeka ukuthi athi nami ngizombulala umuntu with conviction ube emehlweni nami nje maye kwanjena ngizokubulala and then you think ukuthi siphila kuphi and abanye abantu abajwayele like I wouldn't think ukuthi ST will do that but uthi mase sixoxa umbono ST ukuthi uyisho futhi lento omunye uthola ukuthi useyenzile usebulele so si generation ezaloku iCurse kwi-curse enkulu curse of the blood uthi last year umfundisi ucela sithandaze because umkhathi uphansi and usunikana njengosweet ngisho ezikoleni uzoyisa ingane kuthisha uthi isafe kanti uthisha usethola ilokhuzana usene instruction yokuthi ngifuna ingane ezingaka ngifuna lezi ezihlakaniphile sithola ingane ezigwazana kanje ezikoleni ngoba bonke abafuna izikhundla ufuna uprincipal osatshwayo so I'm going to do anything that I can imoya ufika na kwenzakalani
yebo
ezibhedlela sinabantu abawonesi kodwa basibona onesi banema deals ukuthi sizokunika this body parts nodokotela abaqhamuka from yonke lento every profession kunomuntu orepresent umbuso wokukhanya nombuso omnyama yikho mazo esibhedlela fanele uthathazela lezo ukuthinta
gcwele lapha esibhedlela
ugcwele yabo
noma basekhweza ngezingane amagazi
ugcwele labo mawo blood donor kugcwele besithi yabo isikhathi esiphila kusona abantu esihlala nabo every day ukuthi ngeke usasho ukuthi hayi phela abantu esihlala bethu sibabona zonke izinsuku usukubona usikonakele lapha uzoyikhuluma uthini ngoba uthi ukhuluma noma athi mama hayi lo wami and mase kwenzeka i-trouble woza sefana uthanda umthandazo ongenziwa uJesu a miracle prayer but zikhona izinkomba zokuthi let's intercede kuba lezi befuna ukukhulekela privately ziyalwa privately uyikhulekela privately but because nathi sabazali siyaleka ezweni and ingane zethu ziba ama competition ukuthi ngifuna ukubona ingane yami idlula uba nazo zithola pressure ingane igcina siyenza izinto I was looking around ngibuka ingane ezishona manje ama 2000 amanye kuthi umuntu ushone neJaguar like I'm thinking uNkulunkulu ngiphilaphi ngiyoba ngisahamba ngequantum ushone nathi maJaguar u3 sekuyaphuza ushone ne-double story and no parent question that phumeka matric wasebenza washayela uber 2 years noma a year use right
sinamajwaku
use right and uvunyiwe abanye baze bapost athi nje kumanje ngikwazi ukungena kaGucci mina twice or 3 times a year and not Gucci lo proper Gucci
hayi lo wasestrategi
aposte yonke impilo ayiphilayo and impilo easy uyafuna ukuthi khona umntwana ade ngixoxela ukuthi khona umngane befunda naye wamtshela impela ngisakubona wathi woza la uzozama impilo but fanele wazi ukuthi ukhetha phakathi kwempilo yegazi nokufa and a couple of months esholoko washo lo mfana uthi ayisengikhathele lempilo mncane 1920 sengikhathele lempilo I'd rather die sibona ingaze zidutshulwa day in day out kunama groups kuna lonke uhlobo lama groups ami ukuthi ngijoine le group ujabule wena kunabantu abazokulwela nje komzali kanti awazi ukuthi ngelanga bazofuna igazi lakho ma-flag amazwe amaningi amathi umuntu ngirepresented i-flag awukwazi ukuthi uwumKristu ungakhulekeli u-Israel wena uthi free Palestine it's so deep it's so deep and asikhuluma ngazo sizosijahwa sishawe masilele siyadutshula and izinto ziyanormalize. Yes, I was telling my sister or something because I speak about my brother owami ngamkhulekisa owakethi testimony yami khona into singazathi singayiboni and kunabantu abahamba nawe but ST beje basahamba nawe kanti uNkulunkulu sekusizile because kwi video eyikhuluma about ukushona kwakhe there was a sign, the opening cover page, it had a helmet, it had a band, and it had boots, amad, to arrest soldier. And kune video yakhe bidlala nje kakhulu edlala emsebenzini so kudlala indaba zokuciba yabo ukuciba bese umdlalisayo wena ngathi uyi-social kafaro yayibona leyo nto wena ulona i-social kaNkulunkulu uyi-social kafaro wena and these things are said in jokes ku-social media thina siyahleka kusiyadownload so uma ngabe sezoshona sengitshela ukuthi ngimkhumule amabhuzi ngimkhumule ibhandi ngimkhumule isigqoko siyavela nokuthi labantu basayibekile lento kwi-obituary yakhe because he was one of them but uthe mesehamba wathi wena ngisusa lezi zinto mina because la ngiyakhona ayifuneki and ngitshela ukuthi wena uzongikhumula lezi zinto and angithi ushare istory sakho abantu basiphendule bakubuthi oh kambe bake uthi kwaba nama-fits kodwa kwanje ephilimi she's psychologically disturbed because awukwazi ukukhonza uNkulunkulu abantu bangasho usuyahlanya and abantu benza izinto day in day out kodwa bafuna ukuyi-challenge ukuthi yi-challenge abantu babulala imbuzi emasangweni kubukwa kwenzeka izinto ongazazi uyabona akukho ukuthula kulo muzi but abantu basayi-protectile into zabo mina first ngiyalazi igazi lembuzi lisenzeni if I can put it in a language engesikhona ukukhola ngathi lisirabishile igazi lembuzi ngiyalazi lisenzeni mina ekhaya and njoba siphuma kulo manje as umndeni ngisho umndeni mina fana ngabe kune meeting yomndeni ethi ngintshontshe idalo ngintshontshe isidalo sihlala selokhu waqala ukuthandaza wena thina sisayithola idalo emisamo isithatha lapha isidalo usithatha usiwe phezu coffee table and lento sengiyayifunda ke ukuthi uma uthandaza uNkulunkulu sekuphendula be ready to lose your favorite people because kunabantu abahlala ngathi bahlela uNkulunkulu and bahlela emasontweni anemgomo and mawusubo kade baqala bekushumayeza uNkulunkulu wabo wena usu kahle kahle uphazamisa izinto zabo so kune chaos oyibuka ubone abantu ongacabangi bake bahlangane kodwa bahlangane ngawo umuntu okwaziwayo ukuthi akazalalele kodwa bese khuluma into against wena kuhlangana so I'm still waiting again to answer.
I want to ask you this question. Ngiyazi ukuthi kuleya nje sasithinda ile on ukuthi umkhwenyana wakho wayefuna
ubani
lokho ngilungile
Thunyoba
Ngicela ukulungisa le mic le yakho ngoba ngifuna ukuthi abantu bayizwe kahle le question.
All right.
Yeah. Kodwa ngiyaxolisa lokho ngikushadisa naye phela.
Okay.
Mhlawumbe ngiyaprofetha nje.
Baningi abaprophets khona nabamanga.
Okay, owayemkhena wakho njengoba ufuna ukuthwala ngawo. How possible is this thing ukuthi umuntu athwale ngawo wena ungazi?
Phela isinqumo somuntu esomuntu. Lezi zinto asikhuluma ngayo Illuminati. Possible because now usuke yothwala noma ejoyina ikhali suke ngazi ukuthi kusube kuzoba umntwana wakhe. Mhlawumbe ukubona ukuthi this day sike sithi masiba social media kushone ngane no 4-5 years. Ngane incane thwila liyangavuka. Ukhala ukuthi khala yena kakhulu lo muntu bese kuthi hayibo makuthiwa khona into yethu kanti kwakusho lokho. And abanye abantu babeya lapha yana baya with a greed. The more you pay, the heavier the sacrifice. So possible ngolwazi oluncane ngoba ngifuna ukuthi mawe lapha ya mawe ebhenki yokoleka imali ufike ubone noma sisathatha ngama-account kudala ufike uthathe usofa uthi uma ubona hayi bonke longikhokha lento ayisapheli ukhombise the fine print ephansi ukuthi kune-interest what do you call it, insurance kanjani ne-delivery yonke into ongazazi sekuqedile lo 15,000 usuphenduka u-100,000 and uthothi una-areas ulokhu ukhokha ilosofa abasekho but ngixakekile ST and igama balisebenzisayo unfortunately so ubuhlungu mabe sesikhona ngo-ST wayakothwala but umuntu umekuthatha kasho ukuthi uyothwala uthi uyozama into yenhlanhla uzama into yenhlanhla ngoba ST impilo yakhe ifatabela ngithi awuba ngithi nakho umsebenzi awuqhamuki khambe ngithola into yenhlanhla and bekuthola ukunika into yenhlanhla labantu bakunika into encane kabi uthamba uyibeke lento uyikhulumise yikho omunye umuntu ayithi makuthi sifuna ukukhola ke sikhola ngabantu abasebenzisa imithi ngendlela abayikhola ngento abayikhulumisa ke simkhulumisa uNkulunkulu njengoba bayenza into engekho iphile so into ikuhlupha kwalento abanye babone bekhuluma nako akunye ngikuzwa kubantu abasuke bekhuluma because I was once so curious ububi balento ke the more you go in it the more complicated it becomes ngoba abanye bebekhuluma ukuthi nje uthwale ngenkukhu watshela ukuthi hayi la ngizolesa ama-braai pack nje kuphela sekusuka kwafuneka inkukhu ephilayo sekusuka kwathiwa sekufuneka imbuzi sekusuka kufuneka inkomo kwathiwa sicela umuntu khona wayexoxa ukuthi bekufuneka umuntu amlanda umuntu ngaqunga isibindi ngambulala lo muntu ekusuka sesicela igazi lakho so sokungazi amanye ama-terms and conditions are hidden from you uthola and uma usungenile kuthiwa labantu ba-unfriendly bathi wena wathi ufuna inhlanhla omunye ekhuluma ukuthi mina ngabuya nenoni encane nje ngayibeka ekamereni sema ngiqambe ngithola imali ngithola imoto sengibuyela sekuyinyoka kwathi uyena mngani wakho ke lo uma ungayifuna imali uyisa into yethu kodwa futhi uma ubuyisa into yethu there's got to be consequences empilweni yakho ngenile thathile
umfowenu ngiyakhumbula ukuthi owashirana nangomfowenu ulowa journey Illuminati and angizwasho ukuthi so akasekho ne
angozwa
ngizoba wamention ukuthi futhi naye akasekho
no washona
yes yena wayejoyine kanjani yena
I wouldn't know but now looking eyintweni noku-understanda nokuba nabantu abafundisa about the Marine Kingdom ukwabasebenza eSharks Board so ngokubuka kwami I think he was introduced kulo zinto esebenza ku-Natal Sharks Board ngoba wayesebenza kahle good benefits but wayenjalo mesebenzile angabuyela emsebenzini uyoyiphuza yonke leyo mali yonke iziphele and kwakugcwala bonke then go back to work so I guess umsebenzini bagcina sebenza ama-warnings ngokulova njalo ke but when she said okay fine ngoba ngixosha ngilovile angikwazi ngama-telegram ayifika emncenga ngaleso sikhathi sasibuka umuntu uthina onjani osanganayo ukuthi why would he run away from umsebenzi omuhle kanjena hayi uloyiwe but I guess that when he was introduced kulento kwancamela ukuvela abaleke yena and one thing esuke singayazi kufana nabantu akade behlangene nabantu abathwele awukwazi ukubaleka ngenyawo zakho ST ungadisconnectanga ngoba ubaleka usuhamba nodobo umuntu ohlangana uyalibona uphawu ukuthi wakwagqobhoza lapho so ke uthe mekhula kwahlangana babona ukuthi hayibonansi impahla and naye ungena nje ku right uyabuyela phela ngathi kuuthando inaye okay ngena la uzothola good life
the good benefits
when you get those forms ngiyayibuka phela bhala nje ubhala igama lento bhala nje salary yakho seba sengiyibuka namaso sikhathi hayibo uya guarantee ukuthi you gonna be guaranteed umsebenzi omuhle uzohamba ama-hotels amakhulu around the world ngonyaka kuya ngokukhula kwey'gabake you're gonna be guaranteed umsebenzi kuma-international airports ongapheli kuningi and you submit your full names you must be the person okwazi ukugcina imfihlo ilokho kuphela ke uma usungenile kangikwazi uma usungenile those are the uma usungenile it gets harder ke then you submit amagama abantu bakini mawusulapho you submit amagama one thing ngizokunika this example kade futhi ngihlala ngibuza manje leyo nto kumfundisi ngoba mina ngulithanda ulwandle But there was this saga la ayisengene khona singakazi kukhulekwe ekhaya kukhuleka every day, and then umfundisi instructed us to go pray by the sea. And ngaleso sikhathi wayengafuni ukuya yena akashintshile, and umfundisi is patient. As patient, I guess in wisdom from God unayo. And ukukhuleka kwethu, we're standing in a circle.
Yeah.
Yabo ufike athi umfundisi, no, wena umdala la.
Yeah.
You are the only man. Uzonginika abantu ngibakhulekise ngibabuyisele kwena ngapha. So it's something like a circle. So now I'm understanding ukuthi lento yayenziwe lapha isifungo sasenziwe underwater where our names were. So through prayer sasisiyolandwa lapha. Because after that ngangazi wayengithuka ngawo ukuthi wena nomfundisi wakho nenza ukuthi, because when you go back there you are told ukuthi umuntu who cracked lento ubani owenze lento. And kade sixoxa sonke lonto ekhaya ukuthi kunezinto ojungazazi, because not every person okholwa uJesu noma umfundisi uphiwe ubuhlakani bokudila with. Abanye they are gobbled by the kingdom of the dark, because uzofika umuntu lapho uthi esithinga impela nikhulekele ukuthi nithole imaterial esonto asizonika ama drums. Umukele ikufanele you have to discern. Khona ukube kuthiwa ST kuya ngama offers esinawo ngaba sikweleti umuntu.
Yeah.
Ma offers akhona ngaba sikweleti umuntu.
And your pride's been in a Illuminati for how long?
I don't know.
Or because you have no idea who's
I don't know. I only realize the behavior yakhe mesezothi noma washone lokho ethi khona lo Jesu mina ngiphila noNkulunkulu abawusibambani osibamba labajito ukukhuluma lawo lokho ubhulu uNkulunkulu wakhe yabo sasho lokho esastubborn esekule. But on the final day, it's like 2 days before shona washo ukuthi ngimbonile uNkulunkulu wakho sisungamnyeki and ngiyamdinga manje because I'm not going there.
Sure.
I am not going there. I'm signing off. I am signing off. Sure. And uNkulunkulu into engimthanda ngayo if ekunika into ekhaya engabazekayo uyayifakaza ngomunye umntwana. Kukhona umntwana kasiswami, I think kwakunanto kufanele aba recruit and stuff, angazi na ifika abaphusise yona owakwenzeka washaya onke amawindi onke amalumani windows endlu yasekhaya. Sake sahlala thina for 3 months indlu ifakwa amabhodi sihlekwa nje. So lento okuhlekwa isiqali manje umoya kenze njalo. Mayivuka ekseni lo muntu akazi lutho. Phuze lento nje ngicina umalume ngiphuzisa logoloko omhlophe washaya amawindi, but usiyekile. Then he went to the hospital washona ngomalume. Then one day he came to me after umngcwabo wangitshela ma bangibiza ngogogo ke akesi umuntu omdala ekhaya igogo ngicela ngikhulume nawe because ngathi wena uzongizwa. Athi uyazi ukuthi mina ngimngcwaba ngumalume. Ngithi mina how, why? Because I was angry. Why are you angry? Ukuthi how can he take a decision yokusinikela kuyena esimthembile as umuntu wesilisa like akusebeshone bonke phela. Kusho lokushona ngaka bengenxa yakhe. Bese sina but ayisaqquestion le nto because uNkulunkulu sifundisa ukuxolela ukuthi kunabantu esingesibaxolele but la sasingena option. And ngendlela kwenza ngawo esithile umuntu uyabona ukuthi uyahamba manje. Uzoqala ngimbuzo okwenzelana ukuthi yena manje ayicela ucelizwe ucela iBhayibheli ucela ngimkhumule uyahamba. Fast. Ngifuna uNkulunkulu wakho unqaba kanjani noNkulunkulu wena bekanzela umusa. So usethi lo mntwana mina ngilokhuzile ngimbonile umalume 3 days after umngcwabo. And fortunately, because I had attacks, I had severe attacks, I passed out ngosuku lomngcwabo. Like I passed out. I had a battle eyayixakile futhi. I've learned ukuthi amadimoni ayabuya azobuza ukuthi how dare you.
Yeah.
So I guess wangakwazi ukukhuluma nami ngaleso sikhathi. But usiyabuya nje after a while ukuthi, and ngaleso sikhathi wasengifundisile umfundisi ukuthi njengoba kuthiwa umuntu ngokukholwa masifunda iBhayibheli umuntu uphele emhlabathini after 3 days. Nabo bayayazi le nto ukuthi mengcwatshwa they start their rituals ukuthi bamvuse. If behlulekile beyistart. So zaziningi into esayifuneka kumina. Sicela ingubade eyiqokile, sicela usiphe, sicela usinike isithombe ehlele phezulu. Into ezomndeni vele engacelwa umuntu. So mangithi mina no kucela kusibani no sikudinga kuwena kanti kusho ukuthi umfundisi the revelation wathi makwavuma nalo it means ukuthi ibhetlo inqobile. Usuyayidedela. because kuyaziwa ukuthi umuntu osile the soul with the blood of Christ bekuwena. You see how tricky is this? You wouldn't ngekunaka ungicela isithombe uthi me kanti awazi ukuthi you are going back to the mud. Awukaba ngakwenzanga, they wouldn't even come to umuntu azenza ngathi uyahlanya zobhuquza ethuneni, uyakuthuka lapha but ubhuquza ethuneni. Into ongayinafu songozuyitshela abantu. I-battle nje, i-chaos yomkhathi. So siyaxoxa kusethini. So ngangifundisiwe ukuthi after 3 days, just to put this straight, ngangifundisiwe after 3 days bayavuswa because they have basuke besebenza babavuse because they have nikele enkosini yabo.
Okay.
Before uNkulunkulu take what is his. So sayasho ke lokuthi hayibo mina ngimbonile umamkhulu umalume isileke ubesendlini yakho endala. Eguqisiwe ilo lonke uhlobo lamadimoni. Imagine umntwana omncane lo. Futhi umuntu ongeke ngisho strong nasekukholweni.
Yeah.
So uthi ubeguqisiwe because ubekhona ukuthi uthanda irap. Uthi malume bemkhuza athi ungayilaleli lo mculo. Abanye abantu bakhona bakulumina kodwa abazi bakhona. Athi yonke lenhlambi ekhulunywa nalezi zinto ezidotshe emzimbeni. Uthi mangulalela ngenkani uthi bekufike ngathi uqashuka ama headsets. Now I sound like Brother Enigma.
Ngaqali.
But I hear him a lot.
Yeah.
So ubeqala uqasha ama headset uthi kodwa uma ngeke ngavuka ngathi ngegama lika Jesu uthi lento ibingethi kimi. So uthi this day umalume wambona ekhunyuliwe izingubo after engcwatshiwe. That's when he found it inside himself uthi ngamxolela. Uthi wayiguqisiwe kwinto e3 corner, the pyramid. The pyramid, the sign yobumnyama. Uthi uguqisiwe and twayeshawa.
Sure.
Twayeshawa bembiza ngegama bethu isiphukuphuku. Uhlelo kusinika umphefumulo owodwa bebangaka abantu kini. Uthi wayeshawa. So uthi ngaqhamuka ngabuza ukuthi why mina ngingakwazi ukuthola ngoba mina beseningi. Kwathi umuntu obhabhatisiwe igama lika Jesu. Mabhalo songufundisa legitimate they can't. uPaulo umbhabhatiso bahlule kulicracker. So usinde ngobubhatisiwe. Uthi washawa uthi kodwa into engenza ngimxolele lokhethi babethi kwakubuhlungu wathi meshawa wathi nje I can't. Kwathiwa you choose Christ uyamazi wathi yes I choose Christ. Ngimbonile ngimbonile kumuntu ebengimelene naye ekhaya ngomthandazo.
Sure.
Uthi wayeseyangitshela ke wathi wamkhombisa imoto ukuthi lezi imoto ezikanjena enjene eziningi ezo Uber kwaqhamuka abangani bakhe bethe imfethu sifuna ukuhamba le ndlela oyihambile uthi wayethi nje le ndlela enifuna ehanjwa. I am telling you to go back and accept Christ. Yekani utshwala, yekani ukuthi, yekani this brand clothes. So ngambuka. Wasikade ngixoxa nobody can understand it but ngibothi mangiza kuwena. Wasiyasho ukuthi that's when I found. So ngabuka ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyalasimekunika into angaze njani engenza isense kubantu omsangano then mase lethi confirmation. Because unawo ama episodes okubona lezi zinto abuyazo ubuza. So and then we understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayemuhle noma ngenzakalani ayikho into manje mina futhi esithe ngangihetha ngomuzwa kaMadlala ukuthi ngaba nepain because ngazi la isilandwe khona ukuthi kahle kahle bese siyizimvu ezibaliwe ezesilaheni njengoba ngikutshela every year bekuba nomngcwabo mina ekhaya imgodi we coded.
Sure.
Bese kwazi ukuzohamba abantu singazi and akuqali kuyena kunabantu abangena kulezi zinto angithi escalator lento uqala kwayisitholo sezimbuzi kwezimvu wenza izinto engazi walokhu ucela ngegazi iyakhula ngesikhathi nje ukubona seku Illuminati manje athi ukuthwala sikusaba ukuthwala is nothing compared to ama battles e Illuminati.
Illuminati is very strong. Imapha nje apart from ubrother wakho ukuba against inkolo yakho iziphi imapha amanye ama actions wayewenza since ayisejoin Illuminati.
Masithandazo bengeze ekhaya. Manje khona umthandazo nje. Awuhlangana nje nomthandazo. And when the show ukuthi ukhuluma in and secondly it's the diet. It's the diet. Sase sicabanga ukuthi uyikhoza. Yabona into yokukhoza lenyama. Ayidla inyama ngalendlela ukuthi ngiyakhumbula ngithi bekuhlatshwa. Angithi abantu bayibathethe mawuthi makuhlatshwa kuza amadimoni.
Yeah.
Makuhlatshiwe wayiba aggressive ngalendlela ukuthi inkomo wayiqeda. Noma ungayifaka ku deep freeze ubekela umndeni aliqhekeze fridge idliwe njalo and babe ne hope yokudoba. Dobe ubulali ufish lapha ehlathini wasekhona.
Hayibo.
Inkukhu nje zibulawa zosiwe khona.
Ah.
Yabo ngifuna in yabo kwakunama habits ongawazi but usuku ungazi nokuthi akunyangitshela khona manje bangihambe ebusuku nje ngingasabi indawo uyazi ukuthi you are protected. Usually bahamba ebusuku but wami igwala lokuzalwa he was such a sweet boy. But nokuhamba ebusuku ngibone unqamule lesigodi nje ngiyovela ngale mina bani ngiyazi ukuthi angihambi ngedwa ngifaka amabhuzu ami endlela futhi ngiyazi njengoba ngiya lapha ngiyo recruit ubani.
Yo.
So umuntu onogazi it's ama qualities omuntu okholwayo ukuthi untokozo influential embusweni okukhanya. So mesimletha ngala khona abantu abakholelwa kuwena but esithiwe uyacabanga abantu baletha la bangaka abantu baletha la so uzokwazi ukudoba abantu ne listenership yakhe enganani. So mawuthatha umuntu oyedwa yikho mangabe uthi ngifuna ukuletha lo muntu ofuna ukuletha side le story sikubuke ngamanye amehlo because it means you are polluting the platform. You are compromising, so we are at risk yokuthi sabazalwane kume abantu abangakhothami kwi-altar yethu. So yeah, that's that. It's tricky, it's deep, and abanye bayibona kudala abanye bayibona ngale kwethuna.
Yeah.
Abanye bayibona but emphakathini sihlala kuyona sibuka ingane nje si and okubhlungu kunye ku-introduce emasontweni as much as aba-prophet ababonayo amasonto ukuthi enze ukuthi siwa-defend amasonto ethu because sifuna insebenzelo yakhona sifuna into yakhona but kukhona amabandla osima ubuka khona ibandla kalisho umfundi wamcela kunika leli bandla leli lidala lifike lathenjwa lasiza abantu ngicela ungibukela abantu isisekelo sabo amakhaya bekulelo bandla ukuthi kunjani kuleyo mizi.
Yeah.
And when I looked around baphuza bonke and labantu abangalifunda iBhayibheli because lifunda umuntu othile abanye awazi kwenzakala abavele bashona ngoba lento ukuthi ibandla lami lokuthi ingozi sibizele ebandleni likaKristu lokuveza uKristu la isivela khona njalo hayi ukuveza izinto zami. So yeah, abazali bethu basenkingeni baneyingane nama-fits, baneyingane ezi-autistic, baneyingane ey'ngalaleli ey'ngezwa kuthiwa umuntu nje esikoleni akarespondi. Sibuke yonke into imoya engenile emakhaya ebusayo.
Sambonga uNkulunkulu ngawe Ntokozo Lanzimazi. We thank God for your life on this last note. Nokusivezela nje ikakhulukazi the importance of believing God even in times of izinto ezifana nalezi nokusivezela nje ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi umuntu can be initiated yena engekho aware ukuthi kune back leyenzakalayo behind my back they want to initiate me indlela thizeni. Anti ezinye zezinto abantu engathi nje most of us singazinaki lezo wena nje ubone nje izinto sokwenzeka izinto ezithile nje kanti you were initiated by someone somewhere nje ubusho nje so mhlawumbe ufika umuntu nje angicela something mhlawumbe by giving that person already initiated
yabo sengizongcengela isonto lakhe.
You see
umuntu ongcengela isonto lakhe
nomuntu okuncengele esontweni lakhe
uncenge abona ngathi awukhonza kuncengela isonto lakhe bekiyazi ukuthi uyoba isebenzisi sobumnyama lapho
kufana lento ukuthi umuntu acela imali
omunye abanye bazokuthengela utshwala mahala uthe yisiya lapha amafuko ST siphuza ibhodlela la 2000 zibuze nje kuthina ngenza umuntu athenga amabhodlela la 2000 awu 5 foni nina ngamenzeli lutho siphuze sayisangazazi mevuka siqala ukushintsha senibona ngisho sawo sagcina ku ST lo
siyabonga mfethu uza washada
awuzokwazi ukukhona awuphethe uhlela. I knew that was coming.
Awu ngeke phela sa broadcast video yakho lapha na strong so ukwazi ukuthi kwabanye abantu abavela lapha bekho baye becela ukushada
wey yasaze ngwenye lapha yes ifuna ukuphizela emlonyeni kafish
mokosha serious
no
ufuna ukujuqa phansi
no
so kodwa wathi vele ukushada sofuna
uNkulunkulu osho lokho
kuwe
uNkulunkulu osho ukuthi umuntu ufanele ashade noma kufanele yini. It depends kwi-calling yakho sesikubonile. Angithi khona abantu esinabo besifazana othola ukuthi umuntu usezodivorce ka5 because ungalento ukuthi uyakufuna ukushada. Kanti uNkulunkulu akafuni. Kube khona ozothi hayi mina ngifuna ukushada sengihlale phansi simbone seshadile because wayikhuluma inhliziyo yakhe.
but wena uyakufuna.
It's to die for.
Oh yeah, but
Yes.
uyakufuna.
But mangishada angithi uNkulunkulu womndeni ngiyafisa ukuthi ugcobe nginalo kusala imbewu.
uNkulunkulu akuphumile ngempela ongeza ukuthwala ngawe.
Singabe ngakusela uNkulunkulu uthembekile. uNkulunkulu give you i green light sengabe kuba stubborn kwami. uNkulunkulu gives you i green light ukuthi masifuna into zethu siya ignore.
True.
Siya ignore and nokuthi ke njengoba ngisho sibanjwe khona umuntu ozoqhamuka athi nje yazi indlela ngikubone ngayo lapha ku-ST mina I have a car ngingakunika ngawo ushumayele nginanomuzi. Too good to be true. Why ukhathazeka kangaka ngishumayelani into ufuna.
But futhi singakudispute ukuthi uNkulunkulu futhi sengabathinta abantu impela amthinta umuntu ukuthi ayazi kunemoto efisa ukunikela.
Yes, but uNkulunkulu will also confirm that.
Yes.
uNkulunkulu will confirm that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thokoza. Sibonga kakhulu mfethu. Thank you so much. Kuyintokozo nami nje ukubona. Phela ngagcina vele.
Last year. It was last year.
Sagcina ngelanga sixoxa.
Yes.
Yo, buka nje.
It was, but we are coming back in March.
Wow.
So
Hey, coach. Yeah, I'll appreciate ne.
sizabonana.
Thank you so much.
Sithandaze mfethu. Ukuze labantu bathandaze bangaliyekizwi kaNkulunkulu kuthiwa isikhali sethu esinqoba ngaso.
Sikhulise nathi kulezi zinto esizenzayo.
Wena futhi.
A lot of temptations, a lot of attacks, a lot of recently ngeke ngashare la ukuthi ngeke ngalukuzana ngathemptwa isangoma kabi.
Ngifuna distraction.
A lot of money. So nje sibeke emkhulekweni kusiyami. Hayi ngoba imali ngayidinga, hayi ngoba
Siyanibeka
imali.
bafethu noma ningacelanga siyanibeka.
Eish.
Ngoba siyazi ukuthi if uNkulunkulu raises abantu abafana nani nesihoko soma sithi who is this? So lokho sisu ST kanti ST usekhuluma inhliziyo yakhe ngoba ukhokhela 50,000 sigcina singasezi la thina.
True. I'm certain if you look at the influence
Yes.
that you are making to the body of Christ, is that le ingaba more influential for his purpose. So what's in yenze so?
Uzophucwa abantu esandleni sakho.
Eish.
Ngasinekeli mfethu. Masuqala ukusinekela uyokuba sinqaba ukuza kwi-podcast.
Lutho. Mina nje into engicela kunini.
uNkulunkulu khona. uNkulunkulu khona.
Convert
We
your
thank God.
prayers.
Yeah,
So nje please.
you are covered.
Nangomhla ka-29 ngiyakumema March sobe sila eThekwini
Sengiyimeme.
sizothandaza.
All right,
do
my
come.
brother.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Siswam.
much. Siyabonga.
Futhi thank you so much lapho emakhaya sihleli naye udadewethu uNtokozo Lanzimase. Yes, ningakhohlwa umhla ka-29 March sizobe sikhona la eThekwini i-address 139 Victoria Embankment sobe sikhona khona lapho nje lokhu nibona lokhu ngisho siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu uNkulunkulu anicine ke uNkulunkulu anibusise nonke lapho emakhaya. I'm your host ST Dlamini. See you on the next episode. God bless you.